Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. I dropped my car off this morning at a car repair shop that is just a 3 or 4 minute drive from my office, but a 20-minute walk. And I always prefer the walk because I see so many cool and interesting things on my way back. And this is a route that I've driven many times, but when you're walking a route that you typically drive, you see so much more. I noticed things people had put out on their lawns, like decorations or plantings. I noticed how large a baseball field is that when I drive by it, it seems much smaller. I noticed one new barber shop that I hadn't noticed before, and another one that had closed along this same route. I think in life we're encouraged these days to make use of things that save time and speed things up. I encourage you to slow things down by walking more because it's amazing how much out there is to see when you do. Rise and Whine is weekly, and if you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and share below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.